Mother Nature can give your roof a pretty extreme beating. That's why, as North America's largest roofing manufacturer, GAF scientists have gone beyond just the standard industry tests to subject our shingles to some pretty extreme testing that simulates the worst that Mother Nature can dish out. So, hold on to your hats. This video takes you behind the scenes for a little glimpse into extreme shingle testing. Meet the monster. A roofing shingle's worst nightmare. A machine powered by a 600 horsepower, souped-up, customized hot rod engine turning carbon fiber blades to create roof-destroying hurricane-force winds. Mix this torrent of air with pressurized water jets, and you create a real torture test for shingles and entire roofing systems. It subjects the shingles to sustained 110 mile per hour wind and rain, the equivalent wind speed of nearly a Category 3 hurricane. The machine was designed to test for one of the toughest local building codes in the country, Miami-Dade and Broward County's South Florida's high-velocity hurricane zone. To put GAF Elk's Advanced Protection Timberline shingles to the test, we asked PRI Construction Materials Technologies, an independent testing facility that does testing for Underwriters Laboratories, to crank up the monster and blast our Timberline Prestige 30 shingles with their most severe wind-driven rain test. But to make it even more extreme, we installed brown craft paper under the underlayment to see if any water would penetrate to the roof deck. The result? The Timberline shingles with DuraGrip adhesive passed with flying colors without a drop of water making it to the craft paper or the roof deck. This extreme test would satisfy some companies, but not GAF Elk. Our scientists are fanatical about quality, so they look for a way to test our shingles at even higher wind speeds. FM is a nationally recognized and highly respected independent testing lab in Rhode Island. And they built a wind machine that can produce 150 mile per hour sustained winds, the equivalent of a Category 4 hurricane. Did our Advanced Protection Timberline shingles stand up to these extreme 150 mile per hour winds? Yes. Not only did they hold up, they withstood these tortuous winds for over 30 minutes. But we didn't stop there. Our scientists wondered just how much water punishment our Advanced Protection shingles could withstand. So they drenched our Timberline shingles with water for 72 continuous hours, the equivalent of over 10 feet of rain. Did they keep the deck dry even after being hit with more water than falls in some parts of the Amazon rainforest in a year? Incredibly, yes, with not a drop soaking through to the craft paper. But our fanatical scientists still weren't satisfied. So they dreamed up a truly extreme water test. You never build your house under a waterfall, right? Even so, this next test drenches our shingles with nearly 100 gallons of water in just an instant. Did our Advanced Protection Timberline shingle keep the roof deck dry? Yes, again. 4 extreme wind and water tests. And our Advanced Protection Timberline shingles stood up to every one of them. Now, what else could we do? Blow them up? Well, actually, architectural testing in York, Pennsylvania provides independent blast testing for window and door manufacturers who are faced with the worst possible stress: explosive detonation. They've built a device that can produce an explosive air shock wave traveling over 1,000 miles per hour. Could our Advanced Protection Timberline shingles stay in place after being hit with everything the blast tube could deliver?
Shock tube firing.
Yes! The Advanced Protection Timberline shingles held fast.
We hit this building structure here with over 1,000 mile per hour air impact that was equivalent to 1,440 pounds per square foot of force that hit this. If you note, windows blown out. If you look inside, 2x4s, 2x6, splintered and trashed, plywood damaged on the sides, bottom, top. But look at this shingle deck. These shingles are perfectly sealed. There's no damage. They look identical to before the test was conducted.
The bottom line is, we're fanatics about the quality of our shingles because they protect our customers' most valuable asset, their home. It's just one more reason why GAF Elk shingles are your best and safest choice.